Good afternoon, Newbridge family and friends. I just got the application for the Paycheck Protection Program, and I wanted to communicate to you some of the high points. Well, first of all, these applications are going to be sent to the lenders if they haven't already been. And the lenders are going to be the ones that are going to manage this process. So you're going to be applying directly to the lenders, your local banks, and they would be the ones that would be issuing these monies. But a couple of highlights is that the calculation is the same, which is 2.5 times your monthly payroll. If there are any individuals on your payroll that make in excess of $100,000, the maximum dollar amount, maximum income is $100,000. So anything more than that, you can't include. When can you apply? So for small businesses that have less than 500 employees, as well as sole proprietors, you can actually begin applying April 3rd. And if you're an independent contractor and self-employed, you can apply April 10th, okay? April 3rd and April 10th. I recommend going to the SBA.gov website to find out who maybe are the local lenders in your area, because again, they're going to be managing this process. The Small Business Administration will not be. Some of the things that you do know is that there will be no personal guarantees required, nor collateral, okay? The form itself, which is included in this email, is a very short form, just a couple of pages. It'll be asking for, your payroll number and the calculation accordingly, verifying that these monies are to be used for, where is it here? Payroll cost, mortgage interest, rent, utilities. So those are the things that this money is going to have to be used for, assuming that you can maintain your workforce through, I believe it's the end of June. This loan becomes forgivable. In the worst case, it's not forgivable. It actually needs to be paid over 2 years, okay, at an interest rate of 0.5%. Again, 50 basis points, 0.5%, to 0.50. That is new to a few of us. We were thinking potentially that it was going to be paid over 10 years at 4%. So again, this is 2 years at 0.5%. The payments are deferred for 6 months. That 6 months begins the date in which the application is, approved. But interest will continue to accrue over those 6 months. So if you choose to wait until those 6 months, if it's not forgiven, it will be a little bit more because of this 0.5% fixed rate. But that's very, very small. Again, no personal guarantees. They may ask for, since it is up to the lender, they may ask for some additional information to verify your payroll, as well as maybe tax returns in the past and things along those lines. But again, the key dates as to which you can begin applying, again, April 3rd and April 10th, contact your local lender. Go to SBA.gov to find out who those local lenders are that are approved to make those loans. Okay. Again, I'll be providing some additional information, some links here that you'll be able to go to. But otherwise, SBA.gov does have a lot of this information. All right. Thank you for your time. As I get more guidance, even as to what might be included, because that's one last thing. If you make payroll, there's no question. But for individuals that are sole proprietors that might just take distributions from the business or guaranteed payments, if you're an LLC, there's some varying information that I'm hearing from that. That's not particularly ironclad yet. So as I know more information about that, I will be sure to communicate that. For now, stay healthy.